In today's short quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger video call sound problem. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps, open the apps and scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger. Click on Messenger right here, click on Force Stop, and then click on Storage, click on Clear Data and Clear Cache. Go back again and now click on Notifications Management. Make sure that all those notifications are enabled. Go back, click on Permissions. Make sure also to enable all the permissions and then go to the storage. Click on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Click on Delete and then go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.